On January 14, 2026, Verizon experienced a significant outage impacting cellular data and voice services across Washington, D.C. and New York City. The giant carrier confirmed that their engineers were working to resolve the issue swiftly as countless users reported problems on social media, often displaying messages like "no service" or SOS. Residents of D.C. received emergency alerts highlighting the widespread nature of the outage, urging those in need to connect through other means, whether different devices or landlines. In NYC, officials acknowledged the outage, committing to assess its implications on essential services. This situation is still developing, and users are advised to stay tuned for further updates.